The equation for the photoelectric effect is H, the threshold frequency, equals the work function plus the maximum kinetic energy. The work function is the amount of energy needed to break the bonds of the specific material. Hf is the energy transferred. The threshold frequency is the minimum frequency for an electron to eject. This is the minimum energy needed to eject the electron. The max kinetic energy is the kinetic energy left over once the electron returns to its energy level. Stopping voltage is the potential difference needed to stop the electrons from moving. Ionization is when electrons are removed from the atom. Excitation is when electrons move to a higher energy level. In a fluorescent tube, excitation causes electrons to produce light. This is caused by the high voltage, and this ionizes mercury atoms, producing free electrons, causing the electrons to collide, causing excitation, which this emits photons. To work out the electric volt, you divide energy by the electron charge, and to turn electric volts to joules, you times electron charge by the energy. The electric volt is the kinetic energy gained by an electron after being accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. In line spectra, the emission lines are created from the photons emitted from atoms when the electrons cascade down energy levels, whereas the absorption lines are where all the light is shot at an atom, and the black lines are the wavelengths which are absorbed by electrons. Evidence that light was a wave was because of the diffraction and interference. However, the photoelectric effect proved that light was also a particle. De Broglie's theory wasn't accepted at first until it was tested.